Hello and welcome back to a new product review. Today we're diving into the Fullstar vegetable chopper, a must-have tool for every kitchen. This versatile chopper makes meal prep quick and easy, allowing you to chop, slice, and dice ingredients like a professional chef. Let's explore its features and see why it has become a favorite among home cooks. The Fullstar vegetable chopper comes with heavy-duty, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades that ensure precise and smooth cuts. Ideal for those with busy schedules, it can efficiently dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more. The blades retain their sharpness, making each cut effortless. The soft grip handle, made from durable TPU, provides comfortable control, while the non-skid rubberized bottom keeps the chopper stable on any surface, wet or dry. One of the standout features of the Fullstar vegetable chopper is its user-friendly design. The BPA-free chopper includes a convenient catch tray that collects chopped ingredients, reducing mess and making cleanup a breeze. Its non-slip base ensures that the chopper stays firmly in place during use. Additionally, the entire chopper is dishwasher safe, making it easy to maintain and clean. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Fullstar vegetable chopper is an essential kitchen tool that simplifies meal preparation and promotes healthier eating. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, this chopper is versatile, easy to use, and designed for durability. Be sure to read the instruction manual for optimal use and safety. Enhance your cooking routine with the Fullstar vegetable chopper and experience the convenience and efficiency it brings to your kitchen routine.